Understanding, at one's wits' end. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, at one's wits' end. This expression is widely used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be at one's wits' end. The phrase, at one's wits' end, refers to a state of being extremely frustrated and confused about a situation, to the point where a person feels they have no more options or solutions to solve a problem. It's the mental equivalent of hitting a dead end. When someone says they're at their wits' end, it means they've tried everything they can think of and are overwhelmed by the situation. Understanding the origin of this phrase can help us appreciate its meaning even more. The expression, at one's wits' end, comes from Old English literature, particularly from the Psalm chapter 107 verse 27 in the Bible, where it describes sailors being so lost at sea that they were at their wits' end, unable to navigate. Over time, the phrase has evolved to describe any situation where a person feels lost or helpless. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. I've tried fixing this computer for hours, and I'm at my wits' end. She was at her wits' end trying to figure out how to fit all her commitments into her schedule. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing the speaker's frustration and desperation. Incorporating at one's wits' end into your vocabulary can help you express feelings of extreme perplexity or frustration. It's particularly useful in formal and informal conversations to convey that you've exhausted all possible options and are seeking sympathy, advice, or just a way to vent your feelings. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, at one's wits' end. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning these expressions can add depth to your English and help you express yourself more vividly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.